Let's go. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Ta-na-na. Let's go. Okay, music. Good morning. Dismiss. Let's see. Ayo, Leo, good morning. Shima, good morning. Jay, good morning. Dave, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Nikolai, good job today. Regina, good morning. Lefty, good morning. Will, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Philemon, good morning. Willie, good morning. Tony, ayo. Good morning, Archer. Good morning. Are you guys ready? Ready for another day of violence? Everything just kind of seems to be sitting like in a weird spot, huh? Like it's lacking volume. Company Institute. Okay, 1 second. Weakness, Grim. Weakness. No, I was just responding to Yi's comment. Yeah, no, when you look at AMD's earnings, though, I think the issue with AMD is it's being compared with NVIDIA, right? You compare anything to NVIDIA, and NVIDIA is going to destroy it. Um, but again, you look at their earnings and you see that, okay, the last earnings they had, even though the market reacted really poorly, they beat earnings on every front, right? EPS, revenue, blah, blah, blah. Um, they have a new chip coming out at some point, right? So they're not doing anything horrible, right? So, but they're still getting destroyed. This is almost, it's almost a reminder of what was happening to Tesla a few months ago, right? The entire market was going up and Tesla was getting destroyed, right? 200, 150, 140. Like Tesla couldn't do a single thing right, right? But there was nothing wrong with the company. And then all of a sudden, we're now sitting at, we're pushing for 500s and nothing's changed, right? So market sentiment, I think, is the issue with that, with AMD. And also, again, NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA is the boss of the of the markets. Yeah, I remember that. We like every day we would trash Tesla, trashla, trashla, trashla. And then all of a sudden Tesla was like, "Excuse me, who do you think you're talking to?" Um, exactly. Uh, keep dipping, spy. Keep dipping. I don't mind a dip into the open. Ocean is still doing a good job, guys, of holding above 20 cents, right? Kind of tired of drawing these circles on this chart, but it's still holding above there. BACK. Why is that one popping? BACK. Did Grim put money in this one? Oof, look at that. Yes. Out of nowhere, that thing just hit the scanner. Out of nowhere. Choo 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 choo. 85 cents seems to be the last resistance that it hit. So February 3rd, it was at 85 cents and then got slapped. So that 85 cents is still going to be this, resistance. 66. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, they had news. Okay. Once. La, 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 la. Oh, I see it now. Yeah. The la, 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 protein activation analysis of predicting breast cancer therapy response. Again, it's one of those things. We look at it and we're like, we don't really know what it means, but it doesn't matter, right? Just go in and make monies. Grim, really nice exit too. Now, if that thing can dip and curl back and give us, like a cup and handle and break above that, that'd be perfect. That would be perfect. Do you guys remember MGOL at 12 cents, guys? MGOL? From 12 cents all the way to 80 something. Isn't that nice? That's nice, isn't it? And then I should have kept my my NVIDIA calls, huh? I just got rid of it because I wanted to, um, leave early on Friday and I didn't want to like worry about it. But and then NVIDIA says bye. Good morning, Kimbella Jericho. Good morning. Good morning. BDRX is still just sitting at that resistance. So at some point, if this thing wants to run, we need to get back above 9,950 and then start pushing into that supply zone at the top. Alrighty. And for some reason, as much as OCEA looks good, it's also creating some annoying lower highs, which is a bit scary. Because that has the vibe where like if it doesn't start pushing here soon, it's at the very least it's gonna go back and retest that 200 EMA. Jericho, yeah, Thomas. Good morning. Hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, back is like, where's Grim? He's out? Okay, let me go. Anyways, yeah, still needs to close above 85 cents though, but it looks good. Looks good, good, good. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay, perfect. Uh, Trump has directed the Treasury to stop minting new pennies, citing the rising cost. Yeah, why? Like some money is just a waste of time. Like why are they? Why? What's the point of like the penny? Do 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 do. Scalpy Day Grim. Yeah, it looks like today you're just looking for money wherever you can find it. It's like a penny over here, a penny over there, and uh, and then go from there. Hopefully, we can get a consistent run at though. Hopefully, BDRX still does look good. So hopefully, at some point, it can break out. Looks like it wants to do it now. It's consolidating really nicely above 820. $8.20 BDRX. So hopefully we can go from there. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock? Let's see. And then what's NLSP doing here? Still just sitting at the bottom, but holding the 200 EMA. MGOL kind of the same. So let's see. Uh, Z watch list. NVDA, yeah. uh, I like it. I like it. Ayo King, Christopher, hello. Queen, good morning. So you don't like any of them, SB? Luna, good morning. Hello, hello. Christian, good morning. Nothing looks good. Yeah, they all look a bit sus. I think BDRX looks okay, right? Ocean OCEA, as long as we stay above 20 cents and the 200 EMA, that looks fine. Um, Back needs to find support first. So this one's something to just keep an eye for now until we get that little curly curl, and then go from there. NLSP I don't mind because again, like I said, it's holding above the 200. The 200 EMA now also has some support at 250. So alrighty, alrighty. But for sure, again, I would say the top two, BDRX and then OCEA. I do like the way, as much as annoying as Ocean is, I do like how it's holding above that 20 cents, that demand zone, right? The only problem we run into every single morning is we get to the open and then people start selling and it's like, oh dang, okay, that thing's breaking below support, right? So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens after the market opens. Dan, ayo, good morning. Hello, hello. How was your weekend, Dan? Lion, good morning. Uh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, no, BDRX does look good. It just needs the volume to come in so it can break out. So we can break out. Yeah, spies are giving us some dip skis into the open. Keep dipping, spy. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. At all. At all. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if BACK can find a way to start curling here, Grim. 75 or retest the kernel. There's another thing coming for the again probably tonight. Rob will do an update. for the algo, because people complain about not being able to see the kernel really clearly, right? So that'll be changed. You can kind of see on my chart already that it looks different. So yours is gonna look like that, different. Alrighty, Z frames gonna look way cooler, you know, way cooler. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. We have 5 minutes before the market opens. Take a second, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the link a little bit higher that Dan posted already. Share the link, all the fun stuff, and then let's make some monies today, please. Pretty please. Do. Just what your chart needs. Yeah, some color. Yeah, right. Color is always good. Yeah, that's the one thing that I always ask from Rob. I'm like, hey Rob, what would be nice? Some nice colorful things. Some very nice colorful things. I was looking at AMD option chain over the weekend, um, and the ones that I liked, I like the 2027 leaps. But so, anyways, let me pull up the chart really quickly. 2027. So Jan 15, 2027. I like the 200s. These ones, those ones. But then I also like the 2026 Jan calls. Not June. So yeah, Jan 16, 2020, 2026, 200 strike. So yeah, these ones. I'll probably get these ones though. Those ones probably. So let's see what happens already. Let's see what happens. Do, 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 do. I You stay away closer to the money. No, not when you're buying leaps. They get ridiculously expensive when you start doing that. Line, yeah, same, same. These cancel. I don't know why. Like some of these brokers are so complicated with this stuff. BDRX is your favorite? Yeah, if they can break out above $9, I think that's a really good start. Very good start. Oh yeah. Okay. Best news, and it's a common runner. Yep. Uh. Okay, I'm just putting in some orders here for the market. Yeah, it just needs to break out, and it looks like it wants to already here, Lion, right? BDRX. Ocean still looks good to me. Again, it's still holding that 20 cents, but yeah, let's see what happens when the market opens in a minute here. You know? Let's see. What's the S&P doing into the open? Oh, dang. Look at that spike on everything. Shish. Shish. Okay, let's see what happens though. Are you guys ready? Ready for violence? Yeah, BDRX is picking up into the open there, which is good. Uh, you guys should still be able to see the like the ticker symbol, even though it's kind of. I'll leave it like that. Okay. So let's see again. The entire morning we've had lots of issues between $9 and 9.50, and then obviously $10. But yeah, let's see if we can break above $9 here at the open. Good morning, Kaiser. Hello, hello, Colin. Good morning. And we are open for business. Okay, let's see. Mm. Here we go. Yeah, that candle actually spiked all the way to 920 and then came back down. Ocean looks like it's dipping to retest 20 cents again, isn't it? Yeah. Again, this is the problem with the market open, right? You can have levels, but they will be tested at the open. So let's see if this thing can stay above that 20 cents already. OCEA, if it can, that's a really good thing. SPY with a bit of a dip ski. It's not dipping. uh, Unbelievable. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. Retest. You did so much resistance at 9. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance there, especially at the open, Grim. Probably the right thing to do. And then once the market kind of cools off a bit, then we can go again. So. Some of these brokers are. Yeah, and then look at that. Good thing you sold that thing at $9, Grim. Look at that, right? Right back to $8, right? So again, guys, if you're ever in a position and you're not sure, just give it time. Let me post this in Discord so we're uh, uh, strike Jan. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Two. Perfect. Okay, perfect. There we go. Slapped Grim. Is it halted down? Yeah. Hopefully we do pick up today though. Again, hopefully Ocean can maybe take the volume can run into this one. That'd be nice. That would be nice. No more violence, please. Yeah, it's halted down. So we can stay above 20 cents on this one. That'd be good. Spy's dipping really nicely, which is good for now. Get the dip over with. MGOL, lots and lots of resistance at 71 cents on this one. So that thing we need to break above 71 cents if it wants to go anywhere. BACK, guys, again, this thing had that initial pop at the open, but you can't really base your decisions off that. It has to sell off and then give us that curl if it wants to go. NLSP has done a really good job holding up the 200, that 250 we talked about earlier today. And then now your next resistance is right below 285, which is where the view up is at, right? So still kind of feels like, this morning everybody's waiting for that thing, right? Waiting for that thing, like what's going to cook? What's going to cook? We need something to. Okay. Okay, so I picked up some AMD calls. So I'm good with that. Good with that. Doo doo. Hmm. Perfect. And there goes Ocean retesting that 20 cents again, right? Like nothing is really like wanting to break out yet. Maybe NLSP will give us that breakout. No, not quite yet. So yeah, be patient this morning, guys. We could tell it was a sus morning already, though. Anyways, right? Um, yeah, it looks like DOMH is halted up. Let me take a look. Yeah, look at NLSP from the VWAP back to retesting the 200 again. Right? Eagles. That was a good game. Well, I mean, it was. I mean, I wish there were different teams in the Super Bowl, but it's nice to see somebody else. Do BBAI already, Colin? Yeah. I mean, it has all the hype as the next Palantir, so everybody is excited about it. Everybody is excited to boom skis. Did you bet on them? Uh, let's see. Let's see, Rob. The volume delta, the started at the chrono, the delta percentage is how you measure the strong momentum and the leg of the move. Okay, okay. I like it. I like it. At the money offering, got in Friday. Gorilla. Okay, sounds good. See, I didn't think that halftime show was that amazing, though. But yeah, Ocean got slapped. Right, no breakout yet. People don't get excited. If you guys haven't noticed by now, people really get excited about like stocks in the morning when they break that initial that resistance coming into the open, right? You liked it? Okay. NVIDIA looks good. Yeah, yeah. NVIDIA. Yeah. Uh, Interesting. AMD is looking good though. AMD is cooking. It looks like we're pushing AMD today. We said some nice things, about AMD. Look at the S&P. Look at SPY drop, but look at what AMD is doing. That's some sign of strength. So let's see what it does. Not 340s. I'll take a look at the chart. I'll take a look at the charts. Do, 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 do. I just want to see if I should be. Okay, no, I'll leave it like that. I will leave it like that. Uh, 1 second. Are you looking for some Are you looking for some calls, Wisdom? What are you looking for? Ooh, look at AMD, guys. You're looking for puts? Cooking in AMD, cooking. Okay. NLSP, what are we doing here? NLSP is actually still holding that 200 EMA, right? 250. It just needs to break above that VWAP. And then we're looking for $3 ish. Ocean, again, there's really nothing to see there yet, right? Like breakouts are really, really important at the open. Really, really important. Really, really important. Uh, Details. $7.20. Let's see. I mean, it does have a bit of an uptrend at $7, and then you're looking for 660. So yeah, if it can stay above $7, then okay, cool. Don't mind. I do not mind. NLSP again, same wall. $2.80 for now. MGOL, meh, nothing there yet, right? So until that thing breaks, there's nothing to see. George, I like that a lot. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. And then this one's on hold to DOMH. DOMH. Yeah, nice pop. Did you get into this one, Grim? Feel like you did. I'm gonna leave it on the left hand side there. MNTS. Momentous. Yeah. You took your monies already, George? Okay. Yeah, 550 is your resistance there. That thing is kind of cooking though. Can you give us a dip and a curl, please? A dip and a curl. I think said nope. Nope, we just keep pumping. Yeah, at $5, it's kind of too late already, though, right? George, well done. Congratulations on the other one. With the Green Day, yeah, your daily's already been met. Wings, well done, well done. I like it. CYN, lawn, yeah, yeah. I think that's kind of why we stay away from something that runs this quickly, and it might be halted down actually. Yeah, it is. Meh, right? That thing moved way too quickly. NLSP sitting at that 280 resistance now, so let's see if we can actually break above it. 450, Paul. Yeah, it's halted down, so that might be a good thing for you. That might be a very good thing for you. BDRX is holding that $7 level, Lion. Alrighty, so hopefully stays above it. Let me take a look at CYN. Maybe this will be the next. Maybe that'll be the next MGOL. If it can find a way to stay above $10 properly, then maybe. Is SPY rebounding at all? It's trying to, huh? Trying to. Lots of weakness. No, I'm playing AMD as like as a long term play. It might even still sell up to $100. Wisdom, right? Yeah, the gap to 107. Yeah, I see that. But again, the stock is down like 50% in the last year, right? So to me, that gap really doesn't make a difference because I promise you there are multiple gaps on the way up as well, right? So I'm not really paying attention to that. Not really. It's a lot of volume there. Mm, mm. Yeah, NVIDIA looks really good today, doesn't it? Looks very, very good. Very, very good. Uh, one second, one second. Two, 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 two. There goes 1060. CYN is looking good. Is Ocean still up? No, it's actually selling off. Two, two, two. There we go. Finished. Okay. Do, do. Kind of don't like how these names are gapping up here, not even selling off. Do, do. We might have a bit of a base here, actually. AMD taking advantage of the wisdom. Good. Yeah, Lion, you might have a bit of resistance here, a bit of support. Before even getting to that 550, 6050 we talked about for BDRX. So you might actually get a bit of a bounce at this level that it's coming from. Hopefully, hopefully. NLSP finally broke above that resistance we were looking at, right? That VWAP 280. So now you're looking for $3 as your next resistance. Your next resistance there. Mm, uh, two. Mm, do. Okay. That thing said nope, right back down. Like how the ticker is in yeah, thanks to Grimmy Grims. Yeah. No, this is way easier to see, and I don't have to spend time like fooling around, zooming in and zooming out, which is perfect. Yeah, I like it, Captain. I like it. I like it. So you can kind of see everything really easily. MGOL looks like it's going back up to retest that 71, 72 resistance from early this morning. So let's see if it actually breaks. The S&P still looks super sus, right? AMD looks fine, following NVIDIA really nicely. Let me pull up NVIDIA actually. I just want to see what it looks like here. Yeah, that's really strong. Look at that. Very, very strong. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Why? Why are you posting in that channel? I think I need to remove like access, for everybody in that channel. Oh, why are you posting in the option channel? Why are you posting rubbish in there? Find the right channel. Okay. There you go. Are you still holding above? Yeah, nothing seems to have the right volume though. Like nothing at all seems to just want to go. Mm. AOAK, good morning. BHAT, I bet you today might be a bit of a penny stock day. If the market is behaving like this, BHAT is moving just because I think people look at MGOL Cook and then they're like, oh, maybe this would be the next penny stock to go. Yeah, it is. Lon. Yeah, you can kind of tell already. Like CY ended really well and then slapped, right? Like in and out really quickly. Make your monies and move on. Yeah, exactly. So make your monies, move on. Where's the I think I need to fix this chart actually. I think that update took away some things on my chart. Yeah, if BDRX can stay above this 680, I think we might have something there. But yeah, lots of data this week. Yeah, it just seems like a bit of a sustain. Anyways, let me go back to MGOL because I think people are running back to this one. 73 cents. He's in the chat somewhere, AK. Grim is yeah, 71. There he is. He's looking for monies. Looking for monies. Perfect. $73. AMD has some pretty solid resistance at $110. I don't think we should be surprised about that, right? But that's a pretty good pop, right? Pretty good pop from when we started yapping about this in the morning. It said, thanks, Yi, buy the dips. Pop, 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 right? $110. Yeah, now that I look at NVIDIA, I'm like, dang it. Should have kept my stupid NVIDIA calls. It's all Dan's fault. But yeah, we bought those things around $114 though, right? All the way to 130 something for NVIDIA. That's pretty nice, right? So if you're still holding your calls, you bought them, you're holding your shares for NVIDIA, you're smiling. When, Dan? When? No, I just wanted to close everything that wasn't a long-term thing before I went skiing, like early Friday. And then that was it. But yeah, no, BDRX again, that thing is consolidating around 680 there. So hopefully it can stay and cross above the 9 so we have something to to cook with. You do Genesis? Yeah, like I said this in Discord, right? Like Nvidia looks good. Like Nvidia looks really really good. The fact that Nvidia sold off with the market on Friday and then came back all the way to the highs of the day is a clear message. Like, hey, I want to cook, right? And then today it's followed through with that. So if you watched the swing video class, right, and you wanted to keep your Nvidia, that would have been okay. Come on, BDRX, give us that curlies. Where's Grim Monies? Where's the bounce gonna be for Ocean? I mean, it looks like your next support is right where it's at now, right? 1640-ish Q4. That's the name I'm giving you. So it looks like you have a bit of a double bottom there. So if it can stay above that level, that'd be a good thing, righty? So again, early this morning, off that level, boom skis, it looks like it's trying to consolidate. And if it breaks below that level, then you have a problem because it probably goes all the way to that 13-12 cents you're looking at. Donovan, love it. Well done. What do I think of Palantir and SMCI? SMCI reports earnings today or tomorrow? Tomorrow, right? What's your position in Palantir, Anthony? Let me know. What is your position? MGOL really got rejected in that supply zone. Wow. Rejected. Nothing. Yeah, it really does, Grim. Like everybody's sitting back and just waiting for something to pick up, and then they all FOMO. There are a few penny stocks moving, right? Like BNAI. Um, like this one doesn't look horrible, right? So if it can give us a higher low, break above that 80 cents, that'd be good, right? So there's that. I think that's really the only penny stock that's cooking for now, isn't it? I'm just looking to see if there's anything else. No, just that for now. Yeah. Yeah, for sure, Grim. For sure, for sure, for sure. You're in? Yeah, right? Again, BDRX has some nice support at 680. It just needs that volume. If it can break above the kernel here, I think if you can break above the 750, I think you're ready to cook to $8. So it just needs to give you that breakout, BDRX. Right? We talked about this level earlier, so it just needs to curl. It just needs to go. You don't see a catalyst. Yeah, that's okay though. Just play the technicals as usual, right? 80 cents is still resistance for that thing, Kimbella. So I wouldn't be touching that thing off 80 cents. Again, for BDRX, we know there's resistance at this price, right? So the support is up the bottom there. The resistance is right there, right? Right where that white line is at. So I'm not surprised that it's failing there, right there, right? I think we had this line early in the morning for support, right? Or for the breakout. So this level is going to be important. Right? So you have the support off the bottom there, but then that level needs to be broken for BDRX. So we shall see if it decides to break at some point. Alrighty. No news, no news, just vibes. I think people are just moving to penny stocks, AK, because the market is super sus. They're like, you know what? Let's go play some penny stocks. It looks interesting on what time frame, Nikolai? Like just in general, on the 1 minute or on the daily? Like, is it a swing play for you? The swing play. On the 1 minute? Okay, I'll take a look. Who wants to go under the water with you, Corn? Good morning. Not me. JG, yeah, because they did the stupid split and it has a silly float. Let me take a look. CDT. This is the one from last week. Not sure why this line is here. I think it was from earlier, but you can see that 320 level, right? So if I was interested in this thing, Nikolai, I would be looking for right below $3. Um, three nine 290 to 280 is what I'd be looking for. Or if that thing can break above 320, and then it's good. I am under the WhatsApp. Please help. My position in Palantir is at $99 for the long term, and you're considering SMCI as well. Okay. The other one's cooking still, the BNAI. All right, so finally broke above that 80 cents. Let me look at Palantir. I think your position for Palantir again. Palantir to me is a bit extended, right? You know, now it is right. From $7 all the way this entire run we haven't said that because it wasn't extended. Palantir seems a bit extended, right? For a company that makes what $3 billion, to be valued at 250 billion is a lot, isn't it? Right. So again, really good stock, right? Really good stock, really extended. But your entry is below $100, so a bit. I need a healthy pullback to the low 90s. Yeah, right. At some point, Palantir will come back and retest. At some point, right, we will come back and retest when the hype cools down a little bit, right, and everybody's happy. At some point, we will come back and retest this breakout, right? At some point. Well, the question is when. When? Or does the hype just stay with the stock, right? Again, you have a good entry though, Anthony, for now, right? I say good entry because of where the stock is sitting at. It's high compared to probably everybody in the chat, right? Most of you guys are holding Palantir in like in the teens, right? $15, below $10, $20, $30, right? When we talked about like long term swings over the weekend in Discord, a lot of you guys were below 50, which is really nice. So you more than doubled your monies already, right? But yeah, so Palantir looks good. Make sure you have a plan with it. Three times most of our entries, exactly, Grim, exactly, right? So Anthony, your position is a bit high again. Come join us in Discord, Anthony, right? Come join us in terms of like SMCI though. The earnings is coming up tomorrow. It doesn't say on TradingView, so maybe they don't. Yeah, no, yeah, they report earnings tomorrow, right? So when it comes to taking a long-term position on something like this, it's really going to depend on like their earnings. So you might have to go digging and see in just to see why you like the stock, right? So I would like less reliant on the technicals in this case and more, focus on the fundamentals a bit more. Um, Alrighty. The last time they reported earnings, obviously the stock got slapped, right? Maybe this time will be different. But yeah, I mean the stock has been yep. So this is if I was interested in something like this though, Anthony, what I would do if you've done the research and you like it and you believe that it's a long term play, I would take a little bit like a little position into earnings tomorrow, and then if they do really well, you can add more to your position, right? Because if they do poorly tomorrow and you still like it, you can buy the dip, right? You can buy at a cheaper price, anyways. RGTI at $14. It has dipped, and then you're kind of worried whether to hold or to sell. RGTI. Yeah, all of these quantum stocks got destroyed, right? The good thing is your entry isn't that far away. You're less than $2 away, right? So, and you said this is a long term play. No, I don't think it is. Is it? Tosin, is it a long term play for you? If it's not, then okay, let's focus on the technicals. So you have some really good support at $12. Okay. If you look at the last 2 weeks, Tosin, week and a half, right? You can tell that it's been finding some really good support like right there. Um, it is not okay. It's been finding some really good support at like 1190, right? So if it can keep closing these candles, and also like the fact that the market, like Nvidia and all the other exciting stocks like AI stocks are doing really well today, and this thing is red is not a good thing. But it's been finding some really good support at 1190. So if it can stay above that level, you're fine, righty? So if this wasn't a long term investment for me and I was looking at this chart, I would probably put a stop loss somewhere around that price, right below, right, just in case it bounces off that level again. I would look at the lowest candle in the last week or so and put the stop loss below that. Because if it breaks below that, there's no telling where that thing's going to. $10, $657. Research on it. A high risk. It is, Anthony, for sure. You're new to trading. You're going to join your Discord. Yeah, Anthony, come join us. Alrighty. Make sure you sign up for the right level. If you're going to join Discord, make sure you sign up for the right level, guys. Legend or the GOAT level, and come join us. Ocean is still getting destroyed, guys. Look at that. Right below the 9 EMA the entire time. Sell, 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 all the way to the bottom. So again, life below the 9 EMA is not a good thing. It looks like BDRX is still just consolidating at the yeah, everything just looks like super sus. Um, okay, let's see here. Yeah, and like we said earlier, right? With Okay, let's see. Nikolai, did I answer your question? Answer your question? Dang, that thing said, screw you right away. MNTS. MNTS. That thing said, buy Grim, buy, hit stop loss immediately. Yeah, I think I was liking the way that it was forming. Finding a bit of a base at the demand zone, even though it looked really weak. So that was a bit of a risky play. A bit of a risky play there. I saw it before the drop. You see what you did, Grim? You activated the sell bots. This thing was fine until you sold your big position, and then everybody panicked. See what you did? You brought the sellers. You brought the sellers. MRK, MRK. I'll take a look. MRK, MRK. That sounds like Merck. Oh yeah, it is Merck. Pharma company. Pharma. Don't these guys have options? These guys have yeah, I can kind of see what you're looking for there, Rob. I can see what you're looking at. Why did it? Oh, they reported earnings. That's why I was wondering. I was wondering why. Did that. Okay. The shorts have entered, Grim. Entered. Yeah, no, that was good resistance at the top. You're in at 582. Okay. 582s. Perfect. Now watch, BDRX is gonna start cooking, isn't it? If that thing gets back above 7, I'm booking a trip to Aussie. uh, BNAI is still looking good with the double top right below 90 cents. Anybody jump into this one? It's actually been holding the 9 EMA really well. Holding the 9 EMA really well. There goes 90 cents. Yeah, that looks really good. 91. Very, very nice. Okay. Does NVIDIA want to stop? Nope. NVIDIA is like, no, guys. AMD is back to retesting that 110 level. So AMD really needs to break out. But I think they're waiting for NVIDIA to break out. Waiting for NVIDIA to break out. Let's see. Uh, 120. Okay. You FOMO? You did? Okay. Yeah. Good FOMO. Yeah, and that's what we were saying on Friday, right, Grim? Like, I don't understand the hype behind like B hats. But then again, I really, usually don't understand when a stock is below 10 cents. I tend to kind of, you can make some really nice monies, right? We made some really good monies on FFIE from 5 cents all the way to $3, almost $4, right? So that was a really good one. So again, makes sense. Just yeah. What do I think of BDRX? I think it needs to like sell, like it just needs to give you a double bottom or a higher low at some point. For now, super weak, right? Are you in a position? Is that what you're asking? 14 cents, Jacob? Yep, it is. That thing's been denied the entire time. So if it can cross above the 9, Jacob, might be a good thing. Grim. They just follow the vibes. Buy now, ask questions later. Yep. See that's the same thing, Grim, with what is that stock called? NIVF? Yeah, it's NIVF, isn't it? Um I don't understand the hype behind that one either. Like damn thing is getting, they're doing a split tomorrow. But yet like people just keep buying the dips on this thing. No, Bill. NIVF. Like do people know what a split means? But got slap, Bill? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, as soon as we looked at this one on Thursday and we saw that it had a split coming up on Tuesday, it's like nope, absolutely not. We're not about to go through that stress. Not about to do that, please. No, thank you. Mm, no, thank you. Mm, well, not now. Yeah, exactly, exactly, exactly. True, 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 true. Did you pick up a position, Jacob? On OCEA. Yeah, a bit of resistance there for you, Kimbella, at 92 cents. Right. The good thing about the stock, though, BNAI, is that since it crossed above the 9, it hasn't been below the 9 EMA, right? And it ran the entire time it was above, right? So as long as it stays above that beautiful blue line, right, Kimbella, because I know you're in a position. But if that thing breaks, if that thing Jacob, I like it a lot. But if that thing breaks below and closes below the 9 EMA, Kimbella, it's time to run, right? So good job on this one. Good job, good job. Alrighty, so that looks good. Again, look at that beauty, beautiful, very beautiful. So there goes 95 cents. 95 cents. Bet you people are gonna start, selling between 95 and $1 here. Guess what just broke $110, guys? Guess what just broke above $110? The AMD, guys. The AMD looking good. So hopefully AMD maintains that vibe, and there we go. Looking good. Did anybody else buy some AMD? Anybody? Anybody? Yeah, there goes BDRX trying to reclaim the chrono here. So that looks a bit better. Bit better. If it wasn't for Grimm's, kidding. Let's see. No, 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 no. Okay, sounds good. 14 cents. Yeah, it looks like it for now. If it can stay above that, that'll be perfect. Grim, I know. I know. Unbelievable. Yeah. No, so it looked like they just wanted to get some liquidity before they popped it back above. Right. But really, again, this thing hasn't done anything because what it's doing now is creating lows and then breaking below those lows and then coming back up and failing at the previous low. So we need a higher low, we need a double bottom, we need something for this. And then we know it's ready to go. Ready to go. Kimbella, are you still in a BNAI? Still in this one? Christian, MGOL. Yep, exactly, Grim. Exactly. Exactly. See, now I wish I bought more AMD calls. But when if AMD crashes, then I'm just gonna add some more. There it goes, 97. Kimbella's too busy counting her monies, guys. Counting her monies. Counting her monies. There goes BDRX trying to break 50 now. You can do it. You can do it. So yeah, $7.20 and then $7.50 after that if it can break. On your fourth scalp, okay. Yes, it means we rocket now. Rocket. Yeah, it's having a hard time with that 720 BDRX. MNTS looks okay. Let's take a look. MNTS. Yep, just needs to give you a breakout there. 570. Is that the third time now it's testing that? It does look like a nice little cup and handle, doesn't it? Cup and handle just needs to break out. And then BNAI is trying for that $1. $1. Nikolai, did you ever do anything with CDT? It just looks like it never got the volume, right? But it did dip though. But it's just sitting there still. So nothing yet. Yeah, MNCS needs to give you that cup and handle break. And then BNAI is still below $1. Maybe this time on the next green candle here, BDRX will actually cook. Maybe. Oh, BHAD is up 44%. Yeah, I did. All that hype is coming through Law and Order. There goes $1 break. $1, 103. Not bad. It's on your watch list, yeah. That's okay though, because it's really not doing much for now. Not doing much. Okay, let's see. Okay. Waiting in panic in the stock market. Interesting. MNCS was a good scalp. Yep. Now it's just hitting resistance and backing off. So great. Maybe the $5, $5 VWAP there. $5 VWAP. This here goes BDRX now. So 50, yeah, that 50 EMA needs to be needs to close above. There it goes. 710. Oof, AK is smiling, smiling. AK is smiling. I've learned to enter my penny stocks and positions after market opens. They get hammered as soon as the market opens. Jacob, yep, they do. They do. Ooh, look at AMD go. Keep going, AMD. Keep going. Keep going. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Are you, Kimbella, are you going to take some gains off BNAI? Can't remember if you sold already. Are you waiting for $1.20? When 750, Grim. 750. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that 750 will be the biggest obstacle it's faced so far. Three would be okay. Fail for now. And no surprise there that BNI is backing off a little bit, right? If it closes below the 9 EMA now, I think you're going to have a problem. So, for anybody that's holding that thing. Yeah, Jacob, this thing just lost all the volume that it had in pre market, right? Ocean. MGOL, nothing. This was a pre market play. CDT, meh. Nothing happening there. MNCS holding that view up at $5. Come on, BDRX, you can do it. You can do it. Not a bad comeback actually for DOMH. And back into the supply zone. Okay, see if we can break above it though. Uh, part of scalping. Yep. Especially on a day like today. My goodness. Green except for Tesla. Okay. You did, Luna? Let's go. Yeah, you bought the close above, right? Give me a high five, Luna. Well done. I like it. 725. I like it. Well done. Good. Good, good, good. Mhm. High five. Yeah, especially when it's stalling like that, Luna. Watching is uh, la 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 la. Sounds good. uh, I almost read the message out loud, Grim. Hmm. Go, 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 go. Christian MGOL, you like it? As long as it stays up 60 cents, yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind. Almost. Don't worry. I'm horrible for reading messages that I'm not supposed to read out loud, But I'm doing better now, though. Doing better. It is. It is. It needs to break above. Oh, it looks like it's about to break above. Yeah. So it is breaking that 460 double top. But then you have the wick high at $5 that it got halted at last time. So that is a really good comeback for this one. Do, 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 do. Looking good. What do you in at, Gron? What's your entry price on that? Do, do. Yeah, this one's a bit scary. I mean, look at what happened last time, Grim. Straight back to the abyss. Right, this one's a bit scary. But it's one of those things where you jump in and jump out, in the same candle because you took 10 cents from it. Mm, Okay. Uh, One sec.
OCD. Just a little OCD.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Yeah. He must be human. Yeah, no, it's topping off that double top there. So Kaiser made you made money on that play or something else. Ooh, look at AMD go, guys. AMD is cooking today. Ooh, we knew it, right? Did we? Yeah, we did. We did. If you had a whole bunch of money, you could have picked up some AMD shares, right? Go King. Give us 111 AMD. Give us the magic number. Right again, like 95. Let's go, Jericho. I like it a lot. I like it. Rob, look at what you're doing, Rob. You're making it drop. You're making it drop. No, again, AMD is a company that, like, the market hates. But when you look at the fundamentals of the company, they're not horrible, right? That's always the difference when you look for like a long term play. It's like everybody's hating on it. You know what? Like Warren Buffett says, when everybody's fearful, you should be greedy, and then opposite, right? So when the company reports earnings and they actually beat earnings, but yet the market's like, not good enough, right? Because they're comparing it to the monster NVIDIA. That's always a good thing, right? So again, yeah, let's see if it stays above 110 today, right? I think that close will be really, really important. Rob is making a dip because he wants to buy the dip skis. But yeah, if AMD dips, the reason why, like, I did the leaps, I really wanted to do the 2027 ones, but those ones were a little bit too expensive. Um, but yeah, so the reason why I want that though is because even if we are dipping to 100, right, 100 to 95, if nothing is changing, then you could always add some more, right? So that's the reason. Look at that. Look at what you've done, Rob. As soon as Rob says dip, please, the market says, yeah, Rob, I listen to you. The vice, I don't trust those people. Charmin extra soft. Uh, I always see those commercials, Dan, and they're pretty funny. Oh my goodness. Charmin extra soft. For Rob? Unbelievable. No, that's okay. If it dips some more, and then I'll just add some more. Kaiser. Uh, do. Why are you running? Mm-mm. Yeah, today's a bit of an annoying day for momentum stocks. Pretty annoying. Like you can find some good scalpies, but you can find some good scalpies, but Pablo has shown SEC filings having in SpaceX. Okay, and private company name to hot IPO when and if they go public, Pablo. Oh, interesting, very interesting, Pablo. Huh. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and just post it in Trade Ideas then. No, Pablo. No, you want to see my weather, Pablo? Want to see my weather? Look at this. You know when you live somewhere cold and they make sure they send you like an extreme cold warning, then you know. Then you know that it's not fun. Yeah, not funsies. This is without the windshield. So what is it with the windshield? Oh yeah, there it is. Right. Values with the windshield values between -40 and what and -45. Kaiser, yeah. No, Pablo, that's gonna be emotional damage. Emotional damage. Do. Yellow knife. Is that where you live, Kaiser? Mike, no, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, look at that thing go. It's halted up now. It's halted up. We that thing is on fire. Sheesh. This is why looking at SEC filings are nice, you know. uh, you went for a walk, Mike? No, thank you. That before the hard, Grim? Yeah, that's annoying. That is very, very annoying. BDRX is, you can tell, like it looks like it's giving us a higher low now. So maybe if it breaks above that 730, it's going to push for 750. I know, right, Patricia? I know. Honestly, I don't know what to tell you. I have no idea. You know, wish I had an answer for you. Pablo, Dan, and then you know who sends me a screenshot of the weather, guys? Dan, and his weather is just as nice as Pablo's. I sad, guys. Anyways. uh, SMCI does look good today, though. Oh, that's Pablo's weather. Okay, yeah. Dan sent me a screenshot of Pablo's weather. 83 degrees. Sheesh. Kaiser? Yeah, no, it's been halted for a few minutes now. It's been halted. You see why we miss, Pablo's, Pablo's been enjoying vacation too much. Unbelievable. When Pablo was in the States, now he's on vacation and he doesn't care about the markets anymore. Pablo's just waiting for the Twin Peak IPO, then he's gonna be in Discord. Yeah, no, absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. Absolutely. Give us the on halts. So it looks like AMD just came back to retest the breakout, right? The usual thing, right, guys? The usual, right? We have resistance right there. We have a breakout right there. And then AMD is like, let me come back and test. So for now, that still looks okay. Still looks okay. And then we're waiting for DOMH to be on halted. CYN looks good, doesn't it? Highs of the day. Penny stonks. Virus. Good morning, Virus. How are you? Good morning. I bet you Virus woke up this morning and bought some more AMD. Knew it. CYN. There we go. Why do I keep getting logged out? 16. Okay. Resumed. Okay, there we go. The hmm, is it done for? I don't know. Are you in a position, Patricia? You were a virus? Okay, sounds good. That's okay. You have enough of a position anyways. I know, right, Eric? There he goes. 5:30. Seems to be having a hard time in that supply zone though. Yeah, you are getting ready to sell. What did you get in at? What's your entry price, Patricia? BACK. Yeah, I mean, look at that, right? Yeah, yeah. Is it done for? I mean, would I be selling this thing at this price? Probably not. You waited too long, right? You waited too long. Market open, it looked like garbage, right? This thing has given us no reason to be in it today. Zero. But now it's sitting on a double bottom, right? This bottom was from last Monday, right? Last Monday it hit this level at 50 cents ish, 51, and then bounced back up, right? And then now it's bouncing up the same level again. It's trying to. So at this point, I would probably just put a stop loss right 49.99, right? If it breaks below 50, I'm done with it, right? But yeah, you got in at 75 cents. Oof, oof. Yeah, all the way up there, right? So Patricia, that stop loss should have been in like a long, long time ago. So two things here, Patricia. Two things, right? Either you bought this thing before the market opened and you were nice and green and you didn't sell it, or you bought this thing when it was below the 9 and falling like a tomato, right? Because that's 75 cents up here, right? This is 75 cents, right? So you should have sold that thing coming into the open, or you should not never bought this thing at 75 cents because it looked really weak. So hopefully for now, though, it does stay above, right? That double bottom. Is Ocean done? Grim, is Ocean done? OCEA. uh, is it done? I mean, this chart looks the same as the other one we just looked at, right? Yeah, like these stocks are all like horrible at the open, right? And they're just selling off. Like these are not buys. So is it done? I mean, if it can stay in this case, if this one can stay above that 14, that'd be okay. Especially if it can stay above that 13 cents, right? 13 cents is the low from like last Friday and also this morning. And so that thing really has to stay above 13 cents. If it breaks below that, then yes, it's done. Dead. Alrighty. And then DOMH is just kind of stalling there in that supply zone. Yeah. Currency is just a different beast. Different beast. CYN. Yeah, it does look good, especially above 10 cents now. Maybe some MGOL vibes. BK, what's your question? What is your position? Uh, yeah, pre-market seemed a lot better than this. Way too slow. BDRX clearly isn't done yet, though, right? Like it's at that point where like it's not dead, but it's also not giving you what you want. You know. So the question is, what are you gonna do? What are you going to do? Rob, I see what you were explaining earlier. Yeah, yeah. It's not quite changing yet, though, but um, yeah, yeah. Like you can see it not changing, but yeah, that's gonna be very cool. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. No, 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 no. You sold some puts, 226, 45. Did they pay you enough, Jericho? If they did, that's fire, by the way. Below 60 cents, no, thank you. SEC filing. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So here comes that 720 again for BDRX. DOMH again. Pablo is posting more information in Discord about DOMH. So if you're interested in that, look in the Trade Ideas channel. Alrighty, take a look in the Trade Ideas. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah. AJ says I missed 2024. Don't worry, AJ. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Okay. 1.2%. Silly stock. They did. Oh, that's very nice, actually. Yeah, that's perfect. Woof. Yeah, because you know it's going to take something horrible to happen for it to see 45 in 2 weeks, right? So the fact that they paid you $2,000 for that, again, so we might need to do another class at some point, guys, where we specifically focus on like long-term plays and what to do with those long-term plays. So look at Jericho, guys, right? So Jericho has Palantir shares, right? So obviously Jericho is making money from Palantir going up, right? Easy monies. Palantir is cooking, right? The other thing he's also doing now is lending those shares out, basically, right? So he's becoming a market maker by selling puts, right? By writing those put contracts, right? So then he wrote the contract. So $45 strike that expire in 2 weeks, right? So when he writes that contract, they pay him $2,000 for that, right? So he gets $2,000, right? They're like, here you go, thank you for the contract. So if Palantir goes to $45 in 2 weeks, they're gonna say, hey, Jericho, we're here to take our shares, right? They're gonna come knock on his door and say, hey, give us your shares, right? But now, what are the odds of Palantir going to $45 in 2 weeks, guys? Zero? Can you see? Zero. Probably zero. Right? So when that contract expires in 2 weeks, he gets to keep his shares and he gets to keep the $2,000 and then he can just do it again. Right? Same thing on both, like same thing both ways. Right? So again, we can get into more detail. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Right? So for those of you guys that are holding like long-term positions, you know, Tesla, Palantir, NVIDIA, all of these big plays that you're like, you know what? I don't want to sell my Palantir shares, right? But I want to be able to make more money on that position. You can. Like you really can. Who said we were dumb money? Not here. Exactly. Right. So Jericho has been doing that really well. Mark has done that really well. We also talked, like we did a class a while ago. We talked about how Mark, you know, turned like $300,000 to like $1.3 million just by doing that, right? Covered calls, right? So when you have like big long term positions, like that's something you can do. And you can really benefit from that. La, 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 la. Yeah, Yi, that's what Pablo posted in Trade Ideas. Yeah, we kind of talked about that. Yeah. So yeah, I mean it's having a really nice run today. So at some point it's going to need to consolidate and then go from there, right? Yeah, Pablo posted that in Trade Ideas. Pablo also posted that they also invested in a company that's IPOing. So or potentially IPOing. Yeah, look, yeah, in trade ideas. That could double. Yeah. That'd be interesting for sure. Okay, perfect. Can the delisting day be cancelled? Usually not. Usually not. Unless again they found something with the SEC that is pretty amazing, and they're like, you know what? Let's yeah. Uh, yeah. The exact same company. Okay. Yeah, especially with Palantir cooking now, I bet you that company, they're gonna do a second round of funding, and then it's just gonna double. I mean, it depends though. Yeah, depends because you know how some of these IPOs are, right? Like people go in with that expectation, just because Palantir is cooked, and then before you can even get a chance to buy, like the price was supposed to IPO at $50, now it's $150, right? And then you go all in, and then it dips to $100, right? And then that's a problem. No, 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 absolutely, yeah, yeah, yeah. So Rob has a document coming out as well, guys. That was done in the class with Mark and so that document is gonna help you guys with like Rob calls it the wheel. But yeah, so cover calls and puts and stuff like that. So it's really gonna help with for those of you guys that are interested in like long term. Yeah, yeah. This one's really CYN is really doing well. Baruch doing really really well. 120% today, BK. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Option 5 times last week. You did, Willie? Just get a cash account then. Stop dealing with PDT. Ayo, Josh. Stop dealing with PDT, please. Yeah, no. CYN is cooking now. Oof. And the chart actually looks really nice. Like really simple to read. Very, very nice. You are? Yeah. Yeah, dealing with the margin account PDT is just not it. Just not it. Is MGOL still selling off? Yes, it is. Yeah, like I said again, don't like it. Not a fan of it. Below the 200, below the VWAP, had a crazy run already from 12 cents all the way to 80 cents almost, right? That's a pretty nice run. So at this point, it needs to consolidate maybe above 50 cents and then go from there. Too much weakness. Too much weakness. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, just move, move to Aussie or move to Canada, move to the UK or something. PDT is not it. Looking at looking. So L lift broke out. Interesting. Microsoft is under investigation from the French antitrust authority. Concerns about Microsoft degrading the quality of results when smaller rivals pay to use Bing in their. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. I do also find it interesting though, like Microsoft has really not performed this year, even though the markets have been cooking. So they've used NVIDIA and Apple basically. Is it a good time to MNTS? As long as it stays above the 20 EMA there. So $4.70 would be nicer, closer to 470, right? So 480, 470. And as long as it stays above 470. If it doesn't hold 470, it's going to 450. Alrighty. Can we get a curl of the view app, Mr. DOMH? Perfect. Hmm. PDT. Anything else we like here, guys? It's just gonna be a slow, snaily day today. Unbelievable. Yeah, it looks like CYN is just just keeps going. What's HEPA doing, Grim? That was also a penny stock that had vibes, right? Yeah, this one needs to break out though. I think the daily on this one doesn't look horrible. It's still loading. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the daily on this thing doesn't look horrible, does it? Mm-mm. Doesn't look horrible. Question is, when will the volume come in though? When? When? 4-hour chart. This thing crashed so much, sub bro. That the levels you're either using the fibs or you're using psychological levels. Because really, the last time this thing had anything, like wow, interesting actually. That was quite the sell-off. Sheesh. Yeah, I think at this point you're just using psychological levels. So 15 cents would be your next target there. Um, if you're in a position, just move your stop loss up, right? Don't worry about the. uh, there goes 1440, 1450. That thing is slicing through like all the levels. 1460, 1470. So yeah, that 15 cents sub bro is your next resistance there for CYN. 1480 at the top. There's your 15 cents. Are you in a position? Let me know. Crazy. 15 pennies. So you can see that thing hit 15 cents and then back off a bit, right? So yeah, you're just using psychological levels at this point. 1348. Okay, yeah. So there goes 15 cents, and then it's back to 1440 now. So levels like that will become obstacles. Just nice round numbers. Yeah, no, Grim. Again, there's some scalpies all over the place, but you're having to work for them. Can you break 15 cents now? Looks like it's going to. Yep, there it goes. You're done for the day though, Grim, already? Yeah, get some rest. And see you tomorrow or late when you wake up. See you when you wake up. Mm, 5. Done? Okay. Yeah, nothing wrong with that at all. Peace for now. Much love, Grim. Chat later. Let me know if you see any swings, any swing plays, so we can FOMO. Uh, uh, what is that? Rob, take a look at your email. Yeah, take a look. And okay. No, not in Canada. Yeah, not in the Canada. You done for the day, Jericho? You should be done. You criminal. Have a wonderful night as well, Jericho. Alrighty. Good night, and see you when you wake up. Alrighty. Did you watch the video, Jericho? Did you watch the video? Let me know. Yeah, PDT. Yeah. Close 86. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Perfect. Okay, sounds good, Jericho. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. There goes that 15 cents and then slapped, right? Hopefully you took some monies off the table. Hopefully you took some monies. Studio, MGOL resistance, right at the VWAP, so 66 cents. That's a nice pop actually, right? 55 and pop. Pop, pop, pop. The Fed inflation flat at 3%. 5-year expected. Shut up, Fed people. Uh, yeah, I know I sent it to you. Okay. $23. Yeah, if it goes back up and breaks out, that's a pretty aggressive dip to retest the breakout, isn't it? 12 cents. So that's your next support for CYN. Let's go, James. Welcome back. Where have you been? Welcome back. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Click the link at the bottom there. But yeah, so that 66 is coming up, Studio, for your next resistance. Yeah, as soon as BNAI hit that supply zone at $1.04, it said, thanks, guys. That's it for me today. I'm done. Right? But again, this should be fairly simple in the sense that, we keep talking about the 9 EMA and the other things, right? Like this stock was nice and easy to trade above the 9 EMA, right? Pretty easy, right? It stayed above the blue line the entire time, right? Like, look at that. Beautiful, right? As soon as it broke below the blue line, everybody was like, nah, bro, I'm done with this, right? All the way back down. So SMCI to enter. Okay, sounds good. DOMH is trying to consolidate above 460, and it looks like we are failing at 66 cents ish for now. 2 cents below, but it kind of looks like it's stalling, doesn't it? HEPA. Yeah, BDRX was as soon as it hit that resistance. Good job on selling AK because it was disappointing after that, right? Just nothing there, nothing to see. So CYN is like, you know what, guys, I'm just gonna keep going. Palantir. And it look MNCS is still holding that 480, isn't it? So whoever was asking for this one earlier, it is holding. Let me take a look at ADTX. Some unusual volume on that. It's another penny stock, isn't it? I bet you that's why they're going to this one, right? Because MGOL ran CYN is cooking, right? So now they're potentially looking for ADTX. Something to keep an eye on. ADTX. I'll post it in Discord as well, so I don't forget. Michelle, the other day, let's go. Did you get it, Michelle? Make monies. Acquisition news due soon. TM, very similar to MGOL then with the merger news. TM. Monies, Michelle. Monies. And MNTS. Yeah, MNTS is looking a little bit better now too. Just needs to give us the break above 560 and then cook. CYN. Yeah, it's going back up, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like it just came back to retest that breakout. And then it's pushing back up again. So 15 cents is still resistance. So 15 cents. Due to news from such end of the can you believe? So Michelle Pablo is technically in last place. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, right? Because the dude that's at the bottom of the league, Steve, Steve doesn't count because he joined the day after like after week one, and then he didn't want to pay because like the week was he was already a week behind and like 70 points behind. So then we just left him in there, but yeah. So technically, Pablo is in last place. Virus, I know. Yeah, I know you wanted to buy the dips too. Yeah. I know, Michelle. You're doing really good. Yeah. And the price money is way better on that one too, Better than all the monies on stonks. So, yeah. Next to Steve in 8 game weeks. About the stocks, no positive news and trading higher, but as soon as the positive news hit, it drops. Yeah, Jacob, it's very common. That's I don't know if you've heard this, but like buy the hype, sell the news, right? It's a very common expression in the market, right? People buy anticipation, right? People buy the expectation into like a potential catalyst, right? And then as soon as the catalyst hits, then the question now is, okay, like what's next, right? It's easy for people to buy stuff when they know that the catalyst is coming, right? I'm buying this because of this, right? I'm buying because there's this coming in this many days, blah blah blah. It's so easy for people to do that, but then as soon as they when the catalyst hits, then it's like, okay, like why are we buying this thing now? Like the news is gone, why? Right? So it's very very common. Very common. Yeah, exactly, Willie. Exactly. Right. We've seen it with all types of stocks, right? From trash to like good stocks, right? Like Dogecoin was exploding from 50 cents to 40 cents, 30 cents to 70 cents, 75. And we were streaming the entire time because Elon was going on SNL, right? As soon as he got on SNL, the end, dead, right? We've seen like amazing stocks like NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA will run into a split, run, 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 run. As soon as the split is done, they're like, okay, cool. Like what now? Sell it off, right? Oh, like Apple has an event, they're releasing a new laptop, a new phone. Okay, let the stock cook, right? And then as soon as they do that, okay, done, right? So yeah, you want to be very careful with stuff like that. 150, probably. So, I mean, probably. Michelle, you want to join some AMD calls? We bought some AMD 200 strike calls for 2026, Gen 2026 at like 108. Virus, I really wanted the dip this morning, but it wasn't giving me a damn dip. So then I just bought the open, and I'm glad I did actually. Right, like that was the open for AMD, right? And then AMD's been cooking all day today, right? AMD's at the highs of the day now, so that looks very very nice. S&M. Before today, you don't think so? And anticipating news for what stock, Jacob? No, 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 no. MGOL. MGOL just popped above the view amp. That thing said, "Excuse me, I'm the captain. Let me cook, please." Ocean? Yeah, they had that news this morning, right? Yeah, then in that case, just play the technicals, nothing else. Play the technicals, right? Ocean is also a known like pump and dump stock. Oh wow, look at MGOL, guys. It's pushing for that 73 cents again from earlier this morning. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I like it. Yep. So if it can break above that double top there, Tony, then that'd be not Tony, Ryan. Yeah, that'd be a really good thing. Because then maybe now it can push back to the highs of the day, 82 cents. That came out of nowhere. My goodness. Out of nowhere, the volume just came in. I wonder if someone, had some monies. MGOL. If ever witness becomes a yep. The federal court orders Zach Morris and the rest of his crew to show cause why the travel bans and other restrictions should not be instituted again. Oh, oh, crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, Zach Morris with the travel ban. Pablo, what happened? What happened? What happened? Yeah. What are the harassing? Let me pull that up, Pablo. -30. And their families with increased frequency. Oh wow, dang. I mean, it takes a special kind of person though to like. Do you know how like entitled you have to be to like you know to be harassing people while you're in like legal trouble. Like like you have to feel like untouchable if you're doing stuff like that. Anyways, MGOL is looking very nice. So brand new highs of the day on this one. But then again, those guys have a lot of monies, Pablo. So lots and lots of monies. So they don't really care, you know. MNCS, you don't like what it's doing? It looks okay. Right? I think the only thing that you could be concerned about, Michelle, is that 560 resistance. But other than that, it's creeping up, right? It looks fine. That you're getting some really good higher lows, some very good higher lows. Yeah, the resistance is annoying. Yeah, it looks like it failed again, right? Yep, again. What's your entry in this, Michelle? Like below $5? Options. Perfect. Mm, 28. So are you on stream, Sunny? Yeah. 'Tweet shift. Oh, okay. Perfect. Stupid bot. There goes again, Michelle. Yeah, it's really trying to break out, isn't it? So I think at this point, honestly, as long as it stays above the yeah. So Sunny, you sold those puts. You obviously have the shares, right? And they expire on the 28. So then what's your question about like getting paid what's your question? What you can do to verify that, Sunny, is you could always open up the option chain on Yahoo Finance. Alrighty, open up the option chain and then just see what the chain, like that exact same expiration date, see what it's selling for, and that should give you, like, there goes 560, Michelle. ESTS, yep. Let's go, Tony. Right? Yeah, guys, smash a like. Let's get to 100 likes. Did AMD? No, it was 2 cents away. 2 cents away from 111 virus. Mm, okay, there we go. MNTS. 10 cents from the highs of the day. Break. Do you guys have what's Credit Karma? How do you guys like turn off those stupid notifications? Can you guys do that? uh, Yeah, hopefully it doesn't fail there, Michelle. Hopefully not. It looks like ADTX has gone from red to green, which is good. So maybe this will be the next penny stock to cook. Let's see how the rest of the day goes, though. Yeah, Michelle, that thing has. You block the notifications? No. Like you have the app, right? Like you have the app on your phone. Like you track. Like you're not applying for anything. Like you just have the app on your phone, right? Most people do. Most people have like an app, right? And then it just sends you like notifications. Oh, you don't have the app? Okay. Yeah, no, I have the app. Uh, let's see. What else do we like here? So 1%. Okay. Ajif, you can? Okay. Okay. Thank you. I hope China steals my identity and improves my credit. Yep. If they steal it, they're gonna clone you, Michelle, in China. The Asian Michelle. I will shoot to $20 probably. Probably. Um, Uh, 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 uh. Um, mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that thing is having too much of a. Maybe you get a cup in hand though, Michelle. Maybe. I'm just waiting for ADTX to break out here, but the damn thing is just sitting there. It's like it's losing momentum at the top. It looks like MGOL just failed at the same, like kind of the same spot, right? Same double top on this. So resistance earlier, same, right? MGOL. So nothing's really changed there. I mean, it made brand new highs of the day, but really the candles never like closed above it. So you can see like you can see the downtrend forming using the algo, right? Um, for CYN. So hopefully it breaks above that for you, Subro. You still did you not sell the position at the top? So there's a bit of a downtrend forming there. So watch that closely. If it fails there and it makes a brand new low, then it might be done. You did? Okay. What did you say to them, Michelle? What did you say? What'd you do? BFRG. Yeah, that's the one we talked about in the swing channel a while ago, right? Sunny. Yeah. Let me take a look. BFRG. Bullfrog AI. Yup. Looks good. Looks very nice, actually. Okay, can you post a 4 hour of Gorilla? No, 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 no. CEO says no dilution. No, no, no. Okay, sure. Gorilla 4 hour chart. Yeah, my concern is this thing has already been cooking, right? That's the problem with this one, Wes. This 200 would have been beautiful if that thing was sitting at the 200 now, or just breaking out of this level. Like if it was just breaking out of this, like that would have been really nice. But that thing's been cooking, and it made brand new highs today, which is really good. But this looks really good for anybody that's looks very good. Ninja, yeah, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. Come and join us. Mm, okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Pepe. Yeah, you might be there's that cup and handle forming on MGOL. Michelle, did you sell this thing? I hope you did. If not, I'm selling that too. Once you sell it, Michelle, then okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is, and it's halted down actually. Hopefully you sold this thing. Yeah, this is why honestly sometimes we want like our stocks to break out, but when you see resistance and it's clearly resistance, yeah, goodbye. Goodbye. Na 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 na. Do 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 do. Do do do. Okay. uh, Gorilla. What time is it, guys? Camp. Yeah, let's do like 5 more minutes and then go from there. So I can go do some one-on-ones. Do, 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 do. Yeah. If it breaks above 80 cents D-Raw, which I don't think we will, by the time we hop off. What did I think of the halftime show? I thought it was meh. It wasn't like anything amazing. But people liked it and just meh. Yeah. I think like I listen to music like that. Not as maybe not. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it was meh. I listen to Drake? Yeah, I listen to Drake. Uh, but I think if you that's because you're from Canada, probably. Can't be fighting, Canadian Drake and then have me liking. No, Kendrick Lamar has good music. I just think there's too much hype. Too much hype. Oh no, I listen to Drake. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that. Ninja, yeah, we talked about Palantir. What's your question though? Exactly, King, exactly. No, you mean for Kendrick, five Grammys? Yeah, yeah. It was a good like diss track. I just don't think it was that, all that. But uh to the Drake beef later. Okay. Yeah, I know. Honestly, I don't get too much into that stuff. Like, when like people like rappers are fighting, I'm like, don't really care. And I don't really care for the personal lives either. I don't care for Drake's personal life or like Kendrick's. They could do whatever they want. I just listen to music. That's it. Don't really care. Uh, Today's the day. Let's go, Carlos. Yeah, good to see you, Carlos. Where have you been? Where have you been hiding? You've just been waiting for Bullfrog and waiting and waiting. He was virus. Okay. Yeah. Yep. 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 Mm, 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 mm. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Country. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like, I think if you're gonna bring on a rapper, like bring on like like they did last time, like Snoop and Dre and Eminem and those guys. I think that's sick, right? Like stuff like that. Oh yeah. I think if you're gonna bring on a rapper, I think that's the type of stuff you should be doing. Other than that, though, I think like music that goes to the soul is way better than like just some dude rapping about like what it's like, okay, that's cool, I can just put on my headphones and listen to Kendrick Lamar. But again, that's just me. Price at the on the oh wow, they did that now. And that, yep. Again, like to me though, like this stuff was like, this is pretty obvious, right? Like it already hit resistance anyways. So like, them dropping offering at resistance is it's like, okay. Yup. Yeah, that was posted 6 minutes ago in Discord. MNTS. Yeah, offering. I just wasn't looking. Yeah, Sky, I know. uh yeah. The point was first solo rapper carrying the whole show. First time ever. He was king. Okay. Yeah, no, that's amazing for him though. That's really cool. I'm just saying, like to me, like music, like not his accomplishments, because I think that's amazing, right? You can never like think you should be happy for anybody that's winning like that. I'm just saying, it's just the music itself was just meh. Was D? Did any so other than King though? Did anybody else like the halftime show? Anybody? Let me go back to Bullfrog here. BFRG Skooking. Yeah, that looks good. It's actually halted up. No, it's not. That's a bit of a glitch in TradingView. Swing. Uh, Sheesh, that thing is cooking. Wes, cooking, cooking. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. You did, Sonny? Yeah. Yeah, see? A whole bunch of no's, right? The And his diss tracks, King? Okay, yeah. Yeah, the dancing is always impressive, right? Like, it's always impressive. Like the amount of work that they do to get into all of that. Yeah. uh, you didn't understand a word he was saying? Yeah. AMD's at 111 now. Ooh, wee. Michelle, see, you should put those calls. Ooh, wee, guys. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Yeah, no, I was looking at those AMD calls like, over the weekend with and then I was like, okay, which ones do I want? Do I want these 2027s and 2026s? And then I messaged Brother Virus, because Brother Virus is the AMD GOAT. Uh, do, 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 do. So let's see if that thing can keep cooking. God did AMD's trash. That's what you were saying a few weeks ago. It was trash. It was trash, until really all of that was I showed you was to catch a guy who shot someone. Damn. Sheesh. It's crazy. All of that, it made you like, miss AMD until it wasn't. Exactly. It was garbage until, until we decided to buy it. Dan. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Dang it, virus. I wish I bought more now. If this thing doesn't dip to 100, then I won't have my full AMD position. But if it dips, then I'll add some more. 250 out of 4. Let's go, Carlos. Well done. From 250 all the way to this price. Very nice. Congratulations. Yep. Well done, well done. Before the open today? Oh, dang. Oh my goodness, Dan. Sheesh. When you're all excited for something to open and then yeah, that pisses you off. Yeah, pretty annoying. By the way, another update coming to the algo. Alrighty, as Rob is constantly working on the algo. If you look right there, see this little gray box, right? See the little gray box, right? It shows you like the buys and sells on that specific candle, right? And then it keeps updating. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right? Then you can kind of see what's happening, Um, yeah, yeah. So that's a very cool update, isn't it? Sheesh, SMCI. SMCI is wow, cool. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, that's what was missing, Rob. So the start of the chrono cross on the next to the next chrono cross. No, 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 no. Okay, I like that a lot. Yep. Okay, 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 okay. That's why I was confused earlier. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that makes it so much easier because that's what we want, anyways. Yeah, so much easier. Let's go, Carlos. Well done. Yeah, 17%. Yep. To be setting up. Many people were doubting. La 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 la. Feels like we're in a depression stage with the la la la. Okay. China, China, China. So that like la la. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Uh, uh, hmm. Yeah, maybe we can do like a quick update as well, Jacob, this weekend. Oh, like whenever Rob, has like 30 minutes, we can just because it should be fairly quick. We can just do like an impromptu because we're gonna do a class this weekend, anyways. The SEC filings and dilution and stuff like that. Later. Do. Yeah, maybe we can do something. Do. Ministry, no, 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 will stop releasing. Okay. Mm, perfect. To goats, virus, they can suck it. When we post potential trades, yeah, there you go, Ninja. Secrets, unlock the secrets of the stock market. Yeah, what is Discord? Yeah, there you go. So it's been explained, Ninja. Let me know if you have any more questions. Alrighty. Again, 2 more minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna hop off and go so we can do some one-on-ones. So let me know if you have any last questions and anything else, and then we will go from there. If in a base. RVSN with the pop. RVSN. Yeah. RVSN. Let's see. Yeah, that's a nice pop actually. It's a very nice pop. It looks like you have a supply zone at like 90 cents. 90 cents. Why is Netflix like increasing the prices again, guys? Why do I keep getting emails? You accepted your new price and will take effect on March 10th. I didn't accept any new prices for Netflix. Unbelievable. Look at that. Netflix just, they just increase the prices like every month. Tariffs. But they're on pause, Michelle, on pause. This is rubbish. Seems like a scam. They paused the tariffs. Every few months, Netflix is like, okay, 25% hike. uh, not complaining though. Not complaining. They added what's NF? Well, I think that's what it is. NFL. Oh, okay. That's why they're increasing the prices. They should add the NBA. That's what I want to watch. Add the NBA on there, please. Then I don't mind paying. Don't mind. Carlos, good job on taking some profits, by the way, on Bullfrog. NBA, yeah, Michelle. Yeah. Who do you watch? I watch LeBron. Yeah, I watch LeBron. Wherever LeBron goes, I watch. Here comes Pablo, guys. Pablo's about to show up in the chat and roast me. Michelle, don't laugh. You know exactly, Shima. EPO, like, can you imagine? That would be perfect. If I can watch soccer on Netflix, ooh, forget about like the other subscriptions. Yeah, because I think Fubo is what, like $75 every 3 months, Shima, just to watch stupid soccer. Are you kidding me? Yeah. No, Michelle, I started watching the NBA when LeBron went to Cleveland, and then he went to LA, and then I was like, okay, well, I guess I'm a Laker fan now too. Don't look it up, no, no. You think I'm joking? Like, no, I actually do watch. I can tell you the record, like, off, without looking. The record is like what, 32-19 or something like that, Michelle. Right? They have a game tonight at what time? Like 9:30 Eastern time. No, I promise. I really do watch. I have Paramount, ESPN. Yeah, it does get to be like, especially when like like this league has rights here and then this league has rights over there. Stop it! No way. Yeah. Did you like the trade? Oh, AD and Luca. Uh, I mean, in the long run, I think Luca is better than AD. Plus, like, AD is injured after playing a single game for the Mavs, right? So that's probably why they did the trade. But I think it was, for him, I don't think it was, fair. But that's the business of the NBA. Yeah, and he is young. Yeah, I think in the long run, like Luca is. But I think the risk they take though is that Luca signs for them next year when he's a free agent. That's the risky part. What if he wants to go somewhere else? You want to sell it to me, Michelle? Yes. Send me a picture. Yeah. Yeah, Peter goes to the Laker games, by the way, Michelle, with his son. So he sent me some pictures. Uh, Magic Johnson. Yeah, yeah. Magic was the dude that brought LeBron to LA. The Good Doctor. How do you remember that, Dan? Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, I watched it. It was good, and then it became too much drama and also too much blood. So yeah, not enough violence. MGOL, yeah, maybe this time it's gonna break. It does look like a proper, like it wants to break that handle on the right hand side. It looks good though, Christopher. Looks good. MGOL. Sky, see, I think they do. Yeah, I think they do. Too bad their last trade though for the what's his name again? Mark something. Mark Harrison. Is that his name? Whatever. Too bad the trade was declined. That would have been like a they need someone tall in the middle. Maybe they need to go sign what's his face. What's that dude's name again? Uh, the dude that went to the Philippines and played, and then somebody knows. He was there the last time the Lakers won the last like COVID Cup. Yeah. Anyways, uh, and helmets. Oh wow, I did not know that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Timothy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dwight. I mean, is he even good anymore? Yeah, they need someone in the middle. But Austin Reeves is pretty nice though. So they have some pretty good players. You know what shows Dan watches? Dan watches what's that show on HBO? Something to do with the dragons. That's what Dan watches. Yeah, exactly. With the Superman cape. Yeah, I remember watching the dunk contest when like way back when. Yeah. He had that stupid cape on. That was good. Hell yeah. House of Dragons, yeah. Michelle, really? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't ever talk about sports because then you guys are like, oh my goodness, why do you like LeBron? Why do you like LeFlop? Like LeBron is pretty cool. To be doing that at 40 years old is pretty impressive. But where's Pablo? Pablo's a LeBron hater in the chat. Ooh. No, I genuinely just like watching good sports. Like, good sports, that's it. Do, 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 do. Like watching Lamar Jackson is pretty nice. That's who I wanted in the NFL finals, but too bad they sucked at the end. Yeah, right, Michelle. See, yeah, is way better than any other sport. College wrestling. I wanted to do wrestling in high school. Yeah, Michelle. Yeah, the dude is nice. Yeah, I thought they were gonna make it to the end for sure, for sure. Especially after they signed the Henry dude, but nope. Yeah, Michelle, they would kill you. No. You see these muscles? What do you think these muscles are? Rubbish. Yeah, I wanted to. I would have finished them. Finished. Choo, 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 choo. Hey, yo, Troy, good morning. No, I'm not going to do it again because you're going to make a meme of it. And then only more demanding than wrestling is swimming. Swimming. Yeah, no, swimming is one of those things that I gave up on. I tried and then I gave up, because I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. What's Let me get rid of AMD here. We don't really care about AMD today, you know. DOMH, what's that doing? Is it holding that $4? Yeah, it is. Perfect. Yeah, so it hit $4 and bounced. Exactly, Michelle. You know, like why do people do sports that like you know why? Why would you be holding your breath? No, 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 no. Why would I do that? Grab 50 on another one and hmm. uh 72 from 64. Have a great day as well, Christopher. Well done. Is it breaking out now? No, it's kind of failing at the same spot, right? But it is creating higher lows. So MGOL looks very impressive. Like especially knowing that this stock was 12 cents last week to 74 right now is very, very impressive. So I'm sure we're gonna keep watching it. Well done. What's confirmed? What's confirmed? Yeah, no, MGOL looks good. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Keep your side eye on AI, like C3. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Um, Funny story. I don't know if this coin is a scam. I haven't really looked into it much, right? So let me pull up coin market cap or something. Uh, maybe I just pull up the. I don't know why there's like a Canadian site, but anyways. So uh, see, I don't even know which one it is. Oh yeah, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this coin, right? So like 3 months ago, right? You know, I actually 1 second. Perfect. There you go. I'm just hesitating because I'm looking at a different screen. But anyways, um, after a year of like me telling my brother to get into to get some to be invested and then to get some crypto as well. He finally like did it 3 months ago, right? And then the process in that process he started doing research on other crypto coins. So then he put like $2,000 in this thing, and I'm like, what the hell is this? You know, how when people buy stuff, they're very excited about it, and they need everybody to buy it as well. So he's like, oh, you need to put like at least $100 in this. I'm like, no, the only thing I'm really interested in is Bitcoin, right? Right. So I'm like, yeah, not really interested. And then the damn thing goes to $4,000, right? He's like, I'm telling you. I'm like, when are you gonna sell this damn thing? You already made monies in it, right? And then it goes to $7,000. I'm like, oh my goodness, you should take out your initial investment. He's like, nope, nope, right? And then now he's sitting at like $12,000. Like that's crazy, you know? I'm like, when you sell, I'm just waiting for my cuts because I technically brought you into crypto. So I'm just waiting, you know? I'm kidding. No, but that's good though. Hopefully it's not a scam. It's on the Solana network. So crazy, 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 crazy. I exactly, virus. That's what I'm saying, right? That's what I'm saying. Let me hold something. No. Yeah, when this thing was 7, he's like, I'll send you $100 to put it in. I'm like, I don't need $100 to put it in this. And then now it's gone skis. Sunny, I know, right? Unbelievable. No, I think personally, I just have a bias to anything that is in Bitcoin. But I mean, the other main projects though, right? Like Solana, XRP, and stuff like that. That's good. But when some of this stuff, I just don't really care for. But you can make some really good monies in this. Make some really good monies in this, though. No, yeah, trade Rebecca. No, I knew it was you. I knew. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, so we're gonna leave it here for the day, guys. Be safe. Much love. We will continue in ZD squats. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Don't forget to smash a like before you go if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you're not a member yet, right, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Thank you, Michelle. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye. Bye, Sunny. Um, pull up. No, I'll take a look in Discord. I'm late for my one-on-one already. Bye, Dan. Bye, Virus. Bye, Paul. Bye, Carlos. Troy. Bye for now. Bye, 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 King. Yeah, I'll make sure I do it. If I'm not already super late for my one-on-one. If not, I'll just do it after that. See you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye.